Nestled on a pie-shaped lot within the sought-after Nottingham community of Northwest Ajax, welcome to 31 Sabbe Crescent. Landscaped with interlocking and perennial beds, a charming covered front porch stretches across the front of this 2+1 bedroom brick bungalow, and through its boldly colored front door is an open-themed main level with a wonderful ease of flow that is ideal for entertaining. Hardwood flooring is showcased in the hallway as well as in the living, dining, and family rooms, while a soft neutral color palette enhances the warmth felt throughout the main level. The dining room has the added elegance of a chandelier, and with its openness to the living room, north and west-facing windows spill natural light into both of these spaces, while their entry off the foyer and a wall cutout maintains the open flow felt on this level. The dining room has direct access into the kitchen, a bright, functional workspace that showcases wood cabinetry with molded uppers, a tiled floor, quartz counters with breakfast seating and a stainless steel double undermount sink, as well as white appliances including a dishwasher, oven with gas cooktop, and a French door fridge with bottom mount freezer. Its breakfast area has a ceiling fan and a sliding door walkout onto an interlocking patio area in the backyard, and both spaces are fully open to the family room. With a large south-facing window for natural light and backyard views, this warm and inviting entertaining space also features the coziness of a vented gas fireplace surrounded by a media wall with built-in shelves. The two bedrooms on this level both have laminate flooring and good-sized windows, with the second bedroom having semi-private access to the main 4-piece washroom, which features a vanity with countertop basin as well as a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. The master bedroom is quite generous in its size and showcases a walk-in closet, space for a sitting area, and a 4-piece ensuite washroom with ceramic finishes, a vanity with undermount basin, as well as separate bath and shower areas. The main level additionally features a laundry room with a tiled floor, washer and dryer, access to the double-car garage and cabinetry storage, and other features of the home include a premium-sized backyard that is 90 feet wide at the rear, an updated roof, furnace, and owned hot water tank, as well as a partially finished lower level that brings additional storage and recreational space to the home, has a bonus room well suited for a bedroom, and a relaxing sauna. A short walk to Nottingham Public and St. Andre Bessette Catholic Elementary Schools, parks, walking trails, and public transit. This home is also close to the Nottingham Market and Rosslyn Landing shopping plazas, while the Durham Centre, Hardwood Centre, and Westney Heights shopping plazas, golf courses, the Ajax GO station, as well as access to Highways 401 and the 407 are all just short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.